Hey guys, Edward here at Power Mechanical. I want to give you a quick tip for your boiler rooms. Today we're going to look at some spare parts. This typically applies to our rental boilers, but this is something that you can carry over into your own boiler rooms. So let's check them out. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and check this box out. Cut this seal free. This seal indicates that it's been checked out. And we're going to get in here and see what we got. Alright, so I'm just going to start pulling this stuff out and tell you as we go what we got in here. And like right off the bat, I see we got some of our, we call them oil diapers or oil absorbing pads, essential for when you're changing out your oil filter, which is next. We keep these in our units, and definitely something you want to keep on hand. Next we got our oil pump. Oil pump is something that you will not be able to go and find on the weekend, or sometimes these things can even have a 2 to 3 week lead time, so having a spare oil pump is critical. Gasket sets, we got our water side handhole gaskets here and some of our Flexitalic gaskets. Then we got spare sight glass here and our gasket set. My top fell off. Get that back on there. And we got part of our water side kit here includes our McDonnell Miller gaskets for our low water cutoff. Any gaskets you need, you should keep on hand. Jumping over here, we got our oil pump coupling. This is cut to fit. Got the ends already for both sides. Definitely something that's good to have, because again, that's something that you're probably not going to find at Lowe's or somewhere on the weekend. With our oil filters, they have a gasket set that comes along with them or is needed for change out. And this is part of our water side kit, the feed water gaskets. Next we have some spare controls. Any controls or switches that you can afford to keep on hand, it's a good idea, because again, sometimes those things may not be readily available, and it can speed things up getting you back online. Looking over here, we've got our cut to length fireside gaskets, our fiberglass rope, some rough service light bulbs. Then we've got some of our compressor oil, definitely essential. A couple of spare swing check valves. A check valve at 2 o'clock in the morning can be a bad thing. And then we have a spare mod motor that's set and ready to install. Alright, so these parts that you see here are typically what ships with our rental boilers, but again, these are great parts to have in your own boiler rooms for spares. And most of these parts, we keep them on hand, and we can order any of the parts specifically that you need for your boiler rooms. But other than that, check out the rest of our videos for more boiler room tips, and we'll see you next week.